How to turn off stolen device protection even if Face ID is not working. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and move into Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode of a device. It will land you on this page. Well, if the Face ID is not working, then you can click on Reset Face ID and then follow the on-screen process. Once done, you need to scroll down and head over to Stolen Device Protection. If this feature is turned on, then if you want to turn it off, then simply toggle off this button. In case if the Face ID is not working for you, then you can enter the passcode of your device and then turn it off. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.